What is going on? Jose here, and in this video today, I want to share with you how to create custom audiences and show you the opportunity that is being missed by not using custom audiences. I have an example in this video of a client who has been running Facebook ads and Instagram ads for a while and has not created any custom audiences. Their previous agency did not create any custom audiences for them, and I did, and I'm going to share with you how many people they actually have available to them to market to within their own engagement through Facebook, Instagram, and even their website. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look real quick first. I'm going to tell you about some of the custom audiences that I like to create automatically right out of the gate just to get going and start building these custom audiences. So here are the first few that I like to create. The easiest ones are Facebook and Instagram engagement. This is anyone that engages with your Facebook page or Instagram business profile, any of your posts. All these people get put into specific lists. Anyone that's engaged with your event. So if you're a local business or if you hold events, anyone that's engaged with your event pages, your events, liked, interest, maybe going, clicked on it, whatever it may be, they went to your event page, you want to put them into a list because as you have more events, you want to market back to people that have already known about your events in the past. Maybe they just couldn't make it to that last one. Also, you want to do website visitors, so anyone that visits your website, any specific pages on your website. And the most important one right now, because a lot of people are using video, is video views. Video views can create very large lists for you rather quickly based on engagement that people are doing on your website or on your videos. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you here an account I just created these audiences for them. So let's take a look to see how many people they actually had in their available to them. All right, so here I'm going to go back. So they had a bunch of saved audiences that they were using, but I just created all these custom audiences on the 9th. So here you'll see Facebook engagement, 365 days. Most of them I went back 365 days just to get the biggest amount, just to get the first few lists going. There will be other custom audiences created, but these are the basics that you want to start off with. So you want to go back 365 days for your Facebook engagement. That has 4,600 people. Their Instagram page, which is where they've spent most of their time working on, is 18,000 people. And then if you keep going, look, website visitors, 2,300 people. And that's only in the last 180 days. Then you have up here with the video views, you have a video view of 25% of their videos, 30,000 people, 18,000, 50%, 11,000 people have reached 95% of their videos. Their videos are all around a minute, just maybe slightly over a minute. But they have 11,000 people that have watched 95% of those videos. I'm pretty sure all those 11,000 people have not become customers yet. So now we have all these lists that we can use to target. And let me show you some more about how we can use these lists to actually expand our targeting. All right, so here are a few ways to expand your audience using your custom audiences. Once you create these custom audiences, you have people that have engaged with your Facebook page, engaged with your Instagram page, maybe they went to your website. All these custom audiences, they've taken some sort of specific action related to your business. And you want more people like these to do the same thing. So with Facebook, you're able to create a lookalike audience based off of your custom audience. So you have 2,300 people that have gone to your website. They probably didn't go there because they were, looking for horse saddles. They were looking for your specific product or service. They got there and maybe they weren't ready to buy, whatever the case may be, but that's 2,300 people that are potential prospects, and we want more people like that. So with a lookalike audience, that'll allow Facebook to actually go out and create a whole new audience for us based on the interests and demographics of the people within that specific custom audience list. So then it allows us to really advertise to new people that are going to have a higher probability of actually becoming customers or going to our website, because they're going to just be much more very similar to the people that are already engaging with our stuff. The other thing you can do with these custom audiences is you can actually exclude them from your targeting. So if you're trying to reach new people and you maybe feel like, oh, I've been running the same ad to the same people and it's all the same people seeing it over and over, well, exclude the people that have already engaged with your ads, the people that have already liked your page, people that have already converted and become customers. You can exclude those people from your targeting so that you're not spending dollars on advertising to the same people that have already become your customer or have already taken the action that you wanted them to do. And now you're just looking to expand your reach to new people outside of these custom audiences. So by doing your targeting and excluding these people, now you're only going to be able to hit up new people within your audience targeting. So now let me show you how easy it is to create these audiences within your Ads Manager. Once you're within your Facebook Ad Manager, you can click here on the left-hand side. You'll see audiences here, or you can hit all tools, and you'll see audiences here under assets. Once you're there, it's going to bring you here. If you have no audiences, this will be blank. It'll just say create audience. You'll hit create audience, custom audience. And now here are the easy ones to create. It's all the Facebook sources. So this is anything related to Facebook or Instagram. You can do all right here. You don't need to do anything to your website. Very quick and easy. Video views, Instagram business profile, your events. If you're using the Facebook forms, the lead forms, instant experiences. If you're using your Facebook page, all that engagement, all those audiences are created right here. And then here, you can create the ones for your website traffic. You do have to have a Facebook pixel installed on your website in order for website traffic to work. But these other ones, just the engagement, just from what you're doing out there, you can create these very quickly and easily and have these going right away. All right, so I hope that helped. Quick little overview about custom audiences, how quickly they can grow, and if you're not using them, you're missing out on all these lists. These custom audiences are like email lists that are just sitting right there for you to use. So once you create them, you're able to use them and market to people that have already been to your product, been to your website, been to your Facebook page, been to your Instagram page, engaged with you in some way, already know about you. Now you can advertise to them and get them to actually convert. I hope this helped out. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out and feel free to ask. I also do have a Facebook and Instagram advertising checklist that you'll be able to go ahead and just download right at this link down below. If you have any questions about that, feel free to email me. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a like, thumbs up, share it, and I look forward to sharing some more information with you really soon and helping you out even more. Take care. Peace.